Okay, here we are in Puppy Land. There's Pax, Surrey, little Shiloh, and Dolce. There's Daddy. And here's Mama Ducks. I didn't know she'd get in because I just pulled the pool outside to take pictures. Because we're all climate controlled around here. There's little Dolce with this brand new little turtle. With toys. Baby Sarah's fighting a blanket. Baby Shiloh's probably trying to get in it. Oh, and we got Pax over here with the ball. Hey guys. There's the little dogs. Speakers, she's taking out the bugs, making sure everybody's safe. Oh, she's gonna go in for us. I think she wants that elephant. Oh. Who's gonna get their mama? Don't be trying to escape, Surrey. There's no escaping today. Pax almost got out yesterday. We're gonna have to upsize in the pool. Air department. Dolce. Are you asleep, little boy? Show us your little boy wrinkles. Well, those are just beautiful. Those are beautiful. How about yours? Oh, sweet baby. I got your bones so you wouldn't chew on me. See? Got your little bones. Don't chew on me, silly dog. Okay. Beautiful little baby girl. Let's try them. I got them. What are you doing here, sister? She's trying to get to her mama. There's Daddy. Chop, you wanna come see the baby? Chop, do you wanna come see the baby? Or do you just wanna see your mama? You just wanna see your mama. Daddy's got some babies hooked up to her. They've got teeth. She's not happy about it. Oh. Maybe we can get some more play action later on. Okay. Bye, everybody. Leo. Leo. You say bye? You're a little uncomfortable right now.